Hey everybody, welcome to another baseball card break with Matt. Today we got some 2021 Topps Heritage. I know these right here are kind of getting old and tired, and people tired of seeing these, but this is all that I could find at my Walmart, guys. They had 3 of these, so I grabbed 2 and left 1 pack for somebody else to find, guys. So here we go. We're going to open these up. These are the value packs right here, pretty much. You get more value compared to their single packs. You get 15 cards in these right here, guys. So you can look for limited numbered cards and stuff like that. I haven't had much luck with the Heritage series, so I don't expect nothing huge out of these little fat packs either. So here we go. I'm going to open these up and see if we can get any decent rookies or get anything pretty cool. That would always be awesome. So here we go. To start us off, we got Javier Baez, Thairo Estrada, there's Luis Robert. We got a rookie stars of Cody Whitley and Roel Ramirez. Got Kyle Seager, Gene Segura. There is a NLHR leaders card. Got a lot of stars on that. Check that out. Got Mookie Betts, Pete, Fernando. All right, we got Bryce Harper. We got Roberto Clemente, Eric Thames, Justin Verlander, Gregory Soto, Danny Mendick. We got a Juan Soto. And the last one in that one is going to be Ryan Mountcastle and Bobby Dalbec right there, guys. So, real quick, they don't really hide on their Heritage cards right there. It's pretty much if it's over the number 401 and up, it is considered like a base short print. And you got to look in these top corners right here, guys. See this little top corner right here, right under the number, that little box, the little circle right there. It'll say something like inaction or variation, something like that. So, real quick, just going to look for those. See if we got any variations in there. Alright, so I don't see any of those. So, real quick, just going to look, see if we got anything over the number 401. Alright, and we don't. So, that was the first pack. So, here we go. We got a couple of little rookie cards in there. That's probably what I'm going to say was, like a decent pack. It wasn't the best. So, here we go. But, I mean, what do you expect when they're value packs, guys? So, here we go. 15 more cards. See what we can get. It'd be cool to get an autograph, but I don't have big hopes. Alright, to start us off in this one, we got Jake Cronenworth. Rookie card. We got rookie of Bo Burrows, Kyle Funkhauser, and Ronny Garcia. We got Dodgers advance card, Alberto Mondesi, Tyler Chatwood. We got rookie stars Anderson Tejeda and Leody Taveras, Josh Hader, Mauricio Dubon. We got a Dylan Carson New Age Performers card. That's really nice right there. Dylan Carson. I'm going to stick that up there. That's probably my favorite pull already. We got Ke'Bryan Hayes and Jose Garcia right there. So that's pretty cool. A lot of people are going to be after that Ke'Bryan Hayes card. We got Sean Manaea, Dominic Smith, Christian Walker. We got Christian Yelich. And then we got the RBI leaders right there with Marzel, Freddie, and Manny Machado. And if you haven't watched the news, I'm pretty sure you saw the story about Marcell Ozuna right there. So, God, I mean, you're in a bad situation. I could just say that, So here we go. Just real quick, going to go through, see if we got anything close. We got a number 400 right there. Remember, it's got to be 401 to 500 to be a short print base. So, no short prints or nothing like that. So, here we go. I don't know, guys. The best one I'm going to say would probably be this Dylan Carson New Age Performers rookie card. I really like that right there. That's really cool. Definitely going to sleeve that up and put that in a top loader and put that into my PC to save for a later date, guys. So, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Be sure to smash that like button down below and tell me what was your favorite card of the video. Hope you have a wonderful weekend. Peace.